Hey Divi Nation, welcome to another special installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative. This time around, Kenny and the design team have created an exclusive boutique sale landing page that is available only for those who are lifetime members and anyone who takes advantage of the Cyber Monday sale, which is going on right now. This is the largest discount that we offer on our Elegant Themes memberships all year long. So you're going to want to check it out, jump on it quickly because it will be expiring soon. Go ahead and check the video description below for a link to this deal. All right, let's get back to our layout and check out the design. This boutique sale landing page has a layout and a design that is remarkable, and it makes it easy to promote discounts and featured products in a fresh new way. The header features a strong call to action to educate users on a valuable discount, and the different sections on the page promote products according to different categories like new arrivals and what's hot. The page finishes with a strong call to action in the footer that includes a countdown timer as well. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this boutique sale landing page on your own website. To use the new boutique sale landing page layout on your own Divi website, you'll first need to download it from our blog. If you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook, check the video description for a link to the accompanying blog post. That blog post is called How to Design a Unique Featured Product Section with Divi and our exclusive boutique sale landing page. And you can locate it in the Divi Resources category as well. Once you've downloaded the zipped file, it's going to be called Cyber Monday Boutique Sale.zip. So take a moment to locate that in your downloads folder and then go ahead and unzip it. Then go ahead and open the folder. You'll see two folders called Assets and Imports. You'll want to open the Imports folder, and there you'll see the JSON file called Boutique Sale Landing Page.json. This is the import file that you're going to need on our next step. So next, what you're going to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Divi Library. Then click the Import and Export button at the top. This will open the portability modal. There you want to click on the Import tab, and then you'll want to drag in or select your file to import. So go ahead and grab that JSON file that we have already exported and ready to go. Drag it in here. You can also click the Choose File button to go and find it on your computer as well. After that, click the Import Divi Builder Layouts button, and you'll see it listed in your Divi library as Boutique Sale Landing Page. Now you're ready to add it to a new page. To do that, go to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title, and then deploy the visual builder. Go ahead and select Choose a Pre-Made Layout, and in the Load from Library pop-up, select your saved layouts, and then you'll find the Boutique Sale landing page is located there. Go ahead and select it. Once the layout has been loaded onto the page, don't forget to publish it. Now your site is up and running with the new boutique sale landing page. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you have been enjoying our 2018 Cyber Monday sale and all those freebies that go along with it. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future deals or freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching, guys. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.